Welcome. In front of me I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'll show you how you can disable the ringtone volume. So in most cases, when you try to disable the ringtone volume, you are pressing the volume down button, right? But as you can see, it only changed the volume of the media. So to change the ringtone volume, you have to enter for the settings. And next you have to go for the sound and vibration, and here we got the ringtone volume. As you can see, we can easily adjust this volume level with the switcher. So when you want to turn it off, just making like that, and as you can see, the silent mode is activated when we turn off the volume of our ringtone. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.